Good morning, witches. Welcome back to Pagan Pathways with Jessica on this magical Monday discussion day. Except for today, we won't actually be having a discussion. I'm just going to announce a witchy collaboration with 3 other pages. So there'll be 4 perspectives on the same topic each week. It's called Witchy Wisdoms Wednesday. So week 1, it'll be witchy tips, and each page will give you 6 witchy tips. Week 2 will be on memory and focus. Week 3 will be on the Fae, and week 4 will be on the elements. We have Amethyst Ascension, AstariaSen, and SpiderWeaver all joining in. If you're another witchy page and you also want to join in, use the hashtag Witchy Wisdoms Wednesday, and then just post on the topics I had said. All right, I hope to see everybody every Wednesday hopping from page to page. If you love those pages as much as I do, make sure you subscribe for future notice of their uploads. All right, witches, I'm going to get out of here. I'm so excited to get started on this collaboration, and we'll talk soon.